Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing apps that interfere with system control. This reduces crashes and makes processes visible. Open Steam and go straight to Library, then select Wallpaper Engine. You want the app page. Once there, pause or stop any animated wallpaper from the in-app controller so files aren't locked. This first step prevents file corruption and gives you control. Once paused, make sure Wallpaper Engine is not rendering in the tray before moving to termination. Now you terminate both the foreground app and background services. Right-click the system tray icon and choose Exit that politely requests shutdown. If it remains Open Task Manager, find Wallpaper 64, EXE or related workshop processes and end task. This forces termination when needed. For persistent background services, press Win+R, Run Services. MSC, locate Wallpaper Engine service and stop it. Doing both ensures no orphan. Finish by confirming no Wallpaper Engine processes are active in Task Manager. This guarantees it's fully stopped. If the desktop or taskbar behaves oddly, restart Explorer. EXE, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and restart. That restores the shell. If stopping failed or files are corrupted, use Steam's library right arrow Wallpaper Engine, right arrow Properties, right arrow Local Files, right arrow Verify Integrity, or reinstall. One troubleshooting tip. If wallpapers reload after reboot, disable Wallpaper Engine's auto start in its settings or remove it from startup apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.